Welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to see how to invoke your browser or test your execution in Firefox and Edge browser. Last lecture, we have seen how to run our first test cases in Chromedriver or Chrome. So now we're going to see the Firefox. So Firefox is very simple. It's the same things like the same way we did in Chromedriver, the similar way. All you have to do, just comment this and type over here, new, create an object of the Firefox driver class, and then same, and over here just put the driver, WebDriver. So WebDriver, so, and then hover your mouse, import the package related with the Firefox driver class. Here we go. Then save it and then run it. Java application. Here we go. Okay, so close it. Now, the same way if you want to execute your test cases in Microsoft Edge, so no more Internet Explorer, so Microsoft Edge we're going to say. Okay, so to do this, we're going to say the same thing. So let's put a comment here, and then we'll create an object of Edge driver. So new, let me just copy the same thing here, and then paste it here. And then instead of Firefox driver class, we'll just say Edge driver. Edge, okay? And then hover your mouse, input the package related with the Edge, then save it, run it. Okay, here we go. It's launching on my other monitor, so that's why I'm dragging over here so you can see. Okay, so this is that our application is invoked on Microsoft Edge. So that's the way. It's very simple. You can just, all you have to need to change just one line. So here is the, instead of Edge driver, you have to put a Firefox driver or Chrome driver based on whatever the browser you want to execute your code. Because all the driver, again, all the driver related with this prospective browser, it's already downloaded, already injected your project underneath that through the Selenium, the manager. Remember that's we discussed in our last class, right? So that's underneath. Again, once again, if you go there, you will see here. Here you can see Selenium Manager, and you will find all other driver, the Chrome driver, the Chromium driver. Okay, so similarly you will find that you can see Safari drivers. So whatever the browser you want, it automatically downloaded and injected your project, so you don't have to worry anymore with the driver or driver compatibility with the browser version. So that's the way you can easily run your execution, your test in multi different browser. Just before we close this class, just one thing, in our last class, so we have seen some of the error, right? Like class didn't found, then I have to move some, I have to some the test-ng library that I have to downgrade, or any other problem you face. You'll find always there is some errors, some issues, the compatible issues, like so don't be panic. Just copy the error, paste it on your Google. You will find tons of solution, because Selenium with the Java is the one of the most famous combination of automation across the world. So because the Selenium has been more than a decade and it's stable, so there's a lot of good community you will find. And apart from there, you can go to our site, Codenbox.automationlab.com. Codenbox.automationlab.com. You can find over here, you will find a lot of good articles. So this is a web it's all about QA process, automations, everything's like not only the Selenium, Cypress, all those things, a lot of notes, articles you will find over here, the technology. And also apart from there, if you go down a little bit down over there, you will find the error or exception. So if you click on Maven, you will find some of the very common error or issues we face during our project, during our building our project related with the Maven. You will find over here the problem, and then you will find some of the solution. Okay, you find a problem and solution. Just check over here too. So example, there was the last problem in our last class. So we had the problem related with this class didn't find, right? So over here, Java like no class definition found. So there was that issue. So the solution over here you can find, read it over here. So it is a very concrete solution, a straightforward solution you can follow, and then you will find easily to resolve it, as well as you can check on an online too. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye bye.